Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a high-stakes competition that could shape the future of naval power in the Indian Ocean. Germany and Spain are in a fierce battle to win the Indian Navy's massive air-independent propulsion submarine deal. So who has the edge? Let's find out. First, let's unpack what AIP technology is all about. AIP stands for Air-Independent Propulsion, and it allows submarines to stay submerged for longer periods without needing to surface for oxygen. This is a game-changer for stealth and operational endurance. The Indian Navy is keen on this tech to counter growing threats, especially from China and Pakistan. Now, on to the contenders. Spain's Navantia is proposing the S-80 submarine, equipped with a third-generation AIP BESS system. This cutting-edge tech uses bioethanol to generate hydrogen, giving the sub impressive underwater endurance. But there's a catch. Navantia's AIP system is still in development and hasn't yet been deployed operationally. It's a high-risk, high-reward scenario. On the other side, we have Germany's ThyssenKrupp, offering the Type 214 submarine. This design is already in service with several navies, including Portugal. The Type 214 boasts a hydrogen-powered fuel cell AIP system and a lithium-ion battery, providing extended underwater endurance and high-speed cruising. Recently, it even completed a voyage under the Arctic ice, showcasing its robust capabilities. Both submarines meet the Indian Navy's requirements for stealth, endurance, and combat capabilities. But the decision isn't just about technology, it's also about operational experience and cost-effectiveness. ThyssenKrupp's proven track record could give Germany an edge, but Navantia's advanced, albeit unproven technology, presents an enticing option. Why is this deal so crucial? The Indian Navy faces increasing pressure from China's expanding submarine fleet and its support to Pakistan. Adopting AIP technology is essential for India to maintain a strategic advantage. These submarines will enhance India's ability to conduct long-range patrols, gather intelligence, and perform underwater combat operations. The decision on this deal will have long-term implications for the Indian Navy's capability. It's not just about buying submarines, it's a strategic choice that will define India's maritime strength for years to come. Will India go with Germany's tried and tested Type 214, or will it take a gamble on Spain's cutting-edge S-80? Only time will tell. So, what do you think? Which submarine should the Indian Navy choose? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into global military tech. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.